Hello and welcome to i-nastava. I hope you've just had a decent meal, as today's topic is food. My name is Helga Kraljik and I will be your English teacher today. In today's lesson, we will talk about types of food, its taste and texture, and finally, you will be asked to write a short text about your favorite food. For today's lesson, you will need your notebook, something to write with, and a smartphone or a laptop with internet connection. Sometimes, in order to do some tasks, you will need to pause the video. When this is the case, you will see this blue pause sign appear in the right bottom corner. Let us start with an easy task. Let's name some food. First, name food which is yellow. You said lemon, didn't you? Name food which can be eaten raw. Raw means without cooking. Sushi, for example. Which food can make you cry? I hope it's only onion. What is your favorite food? The typical answer I would get here from my students is pizza. What is your least favorite food? Let's talk about food types now. I will show you a picture and you will try to name the food type this picture belongs to. Ready? What food type do you think this is? The first one should be quite easy. It belongs to vegetables. What about this one? Nuts. Do you also start your day with these? With cereals? Fruit? The beverage in this picture is made from milk. How do we call products made from milk? They're called dairy products. We've already mentioned sushi today. What food type does it belong to? Fish and seafood. What about the last one? It's meat. So here are the types of food we were looking for. Copy this mind map in your notebook as you will need it for the next task. Here are some words you will need to add to the mind map in your notebook. Before you start classifying them, let us check the pronunciation of these words. Some are easy, and I'm sure you've come across them before, but some might be new. You can say the words out loud as well. Sausages, hazelnut, barley, yogurt, prawns, wheat, figs, custard, eggplant, cucumbers, mussels, peanuts, cream, salmon, almonds, veal, lamb, plums, grapes, zucchini, rice. Use online dictionaries such as Oxford or Webster to check the meaning of the new words so you can classify them. Pause the video now and add these words to the mind map in your notebook. Check your work here. In the following exercise, you will learn words like cuisine, main course, and chewy. It will take you about 5 minutes to complete this crossword. When you finish, don't forget to write the new words in your notebook. You will need them for the next task. Which of the words did you have to check? Greasy, taste, cereals, course, cuisine, texture, beverage, chewy, dairy products, diet, spirits, dish. Hope you were successful in the previous exercise, as you will need to use those words in this one. You don't have to copy this text in your notebooks. Just read the text out loud, trying to fill in the gaps. How about now? Easier. Cuisine refers to a specific set of cooking traditions often associated with a specific culture. So, for example, we have Croatian or Italian cuisine. Now, read the text again, filling in the gaps. Now, do this exercise online. Look at the words in the word cloud. Fruity, tasty, bland, crunchy, crisp, delicious, dry, sweet, smooth, chewy, crunchy, tough, greasy, disgusting, meaty. Are they used to describe taste or texture? Copy the mind map on the left in your notebook. Now sort the words from the word cloud. Do they refer to taste or texture? Again, use online dictionaries for help with the meaning. When you are done, compare your notes with your classmates in the virtual classroom and wait for your teacher's feedback. This will be your final task today. This is what you will need to do. You will read a message you got from Lydia. Then you will write a reply, answering all her questions. And the message you write will be about 100 words long. Read the message now. While writing the message to Lydia, this is what you need to pay special attention to. Firstly, the form. Secondly, you will need to use the vocabulary we have learned today. Next, use linking devices such as next, also, not only but also, so good that, and so on. And make sure you answer all parts of Lydia's questions. In doing so, pay attention to the correct use of tenses, of verb forms. When did you last go? You will need to use past simple in your answer. What does it taste like? Refers to present simple. Here's your task again. On the left side, you have instructions, and on the right side, you have Lydia's message. Write your message now. Do you remember these instructions? It is important you covered all of them in your writing. These questions will help you make sure that you followed all of them. Check the boxes in this table as you find appropriate for you. If there are parts that you've missed, feel free to go back and correct them. When you think you've covered all the questions and feel happy with your work, send it to your teacher. We have come to the end of today's lesson, and the only thing left for us to do is to assess our work. So, what do you think? Which two things were you good at? Is there a thing you might improve? So think about it. I hope you had fun today and also learned something. Till the next time, bye.